Kind of like people who do frisbee. You have to be really good at throwing a frisbee. Oh! He says, I don't want to do anything today. Try again, bud. And just go slow. You can do the Hansel and Gretel putting food on there. Good job. Feed him for that.
Good boy.
He's having an off day.
Come here, sweetie. Sister's not in here.
Sister's not here. You got a bunch of puppies on him.
All right, let's try this. Look. Come on. Come on, you go, handsome.
He's like, how about I do this? Good job.
Good.
Mom's got goodies for you. I don't have anything.
Yay, good boy. Yay.
Good.
You gonna go this way?
Just find stuff he wants to do. Don't worry about the order.
Sit. Stay. Okay.
Good.
Good boy. Yay. Good boy.
Nice. Good ladder.
Good job.
Good job, Sue. This is not now. Excellent. Do that backwards. Do the other one. Yay! Good job. Wanna try the board? It's like, do stuff I'm rocking at. Oh, good job. Try this again.
Here you go, sweetie. This way. Come on. Good girl. Nice job. No, let's not do that. Ready? Okay. Right here. Dixie. Tunnel. Dixie. Right here. Tunnel. Yeah, good girl. Right here. Yay, good job. Very good. All right, right here. With me. Dixie. Dixie, Brandon.
Dixie.
Dixie. I know. You gotta see your girl. You gotta see your girl. You don't see her often enough. Dixie, here. We'll do it backwards. Good girl. Do it forwards. Yay! Super good. Good job. I'm gonna be exhausted. Dixie, here. Good girl. Oh, that's very good. Good job. Ready? Dixie, right here. Yay! That's right. Good job. Right here. Dixie. Good job. Oh, try again. Good girl. That's right. Yay! Right here. All right, ready? 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 You ready? Dixie, right here. Right here. Come on. Yay! Right here. Up. Up. Good girl. Right here. There you go. Good girl. Well, one for us, right?
Right? Gonna get there her own way.
Girl. Hey, come on.
Good. There's something good over there.
Good girl.
All right, an A-frame.
Come on up. Up. Come on, Miss Ellie. Ellie. Right here. Come on. Come on, you good girl.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Nice.
Always sit. Always sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, tummy. Look, and go to the tummy. Go ahead. Go on. Good girl. Come on now. Come on. Come on.
Good.
Good girl.
Woo, that was really wobbly. What a brave girl.
Ellie.
I know, I'm cheering you on. Good. Back feet on is exactly what we want.
Ellie.
Good. Nice. Good job, Susan.
Come on. A-frame.
Ooh.
A-frame.
Nice.
Gracie, here. Gracie, here. Good girl. All right. Come on. Whoa. All right. Sit. Okay. Look. Stay. 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 Okay. Up. Over.
She's gonna make that A-frame rock.
Stay. Sit. Gracie. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Okay. Through. Tunnel. Tunnel.
Good.
Okay. Over here. Here. Over here.
Good. No, no sitting, just walking across it. I know, I confused you. Like half bunny rabbit. Just back paws. Yep. Good girl. She's just too dang fast.
Yeah.
All right. Woo, get her brain.
Here. Through. Here. Weave. Here. Weave. Weave.
Good.
Good girl. All right. Walk. 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 You know, that's it.
I was a little crazy there. That's okay. It's only your second time ever doing it. She did it better on the way back.
All right. Sit. Good girl. All right, now walk. Good girl.
She's like, I know what I'm doing. All right, now to the A-frame, Mom.
Hit. Sit.
She's making up her own course.
Gracie.
Come back to us, Barb.
A-frame.